Hello again. Today I was going to take my hairpiece off, clean the tape off, and put new tape on it and put it back on in less than 15 minutes. But I got to looking at it, and the front of it, as you can see, it's got a tear in it. Not only there, but it's got a little tear over here. So we need to fuse this together, take it off, clean off the old tape, fix the tear so I can wear it until my new one comes in. I know this has happened to probably a lot of you. There's no need to panic. I'm going to show you how to fix it until you get your new one, and it'll be okay. So here we go. First thing you want to do, just go ahead and get off the old tape. Okay, I've already got off the tape off the front where the tear is. We're going to fuse that by using the strips. This base I've had for quite a while. And after a while they dry rot, it breaks down. I choose to use these strips. They last me 3 or 4 weeks. And sometimes in the winter I use glue. But here in the Carolinas, it gets very hot in the summertime. And I like to take it off about once a week and scrub my scalp in the shower. Or if I'm cutting grass, just take it off and put it back on. These strips are rebond and hold very well. So if you have not tried these, give it a shot. It work really good. This is the best tape there is. This is for extended wearing at least a month at a time. And it comes off the base very easy. Just roll it with some terry cloth or a towel. And I use 91% alcohol. And at this time, if you want to, once you clean it up, if you want to shampoo it, well, you got it off, you can. But what I'm going to do today is just replace the tape and then fix the front and put it back on, because I got things to do and places to go. All right, so right now, just cut you some squares. We've got 2 little holes. I'm going to put a piece over this, and I'm going to piece this back together, just like this. It's very simple. Watch this. See how it's together? And I'm going to put a piece over this so it won't tear anymore. That'll keep it from tearing. And that'll hold that together. And I got one other little spot I just saw right there where I was cleaning the base and it just tore. Like I say, I've had it a while, so it breaks down. Okay, bear with me a minute. We'll get a little piece over this. So you got a hole here, a hole there, a good tear there. Now that's back together where you can wear it. And now we'll just put a few pieces. On the back and the sides. Either way, if we didn't have a tear, if you just taken it off and need to replace the tape, I've seen tapes where people take an hour. That's way too long. take it off, clean your base, shampoo it if you want to, replace the tape, or re-glue it. You can do it within less than 15 minutes, maybe glue 20 minutes. One on the top. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna line it up. Just get that center point right where you want it. Right there. Come back and lay it all down. Now, pull this up, pull it up, just peel this off, the glue off. You're all lined up, it's in the center, bam, there it is. After doing the front, you just pull the back up. You're all lined up right now, so just don't worry about it, it's not moving. Pull the back off. Now you're home free. Right there. Just take your fingers, use your index fingers, just make sure you don't have any wrinkles in it. And just pop, go back with it. You got new tape on it. Tape can last you for a few weeks. Sleep in it, do whatever, swim. The tear is fixed till you get your new one. And there you go. Easy. So I hope you learned something here today. I'll be doing some more videos. And when our website gets up on GoDaddy, on the search engines, 101hrs.com, check us out. We'll be selling stock air systems, $179. Free shipping, and you can also do custom. Thanks for watching.